What would you do with 102 acres of Kentucky countryside, a beautiful private lake, and a home overlooking it all? Whether your answer is farming, hunting, fishing, entertaining, or simply slowing down, this property gives you the opportunity to do all of it. From peaceful mornings spent casting a line from the shoreline to evenings watching the sunset reflect across the water, this is the kind of place where every day feels like a getaway, and every season brings something new to enjoy. Perfectly positioned to capture sweeping views of the lake and surrounding landscape, the beautifully maintained 5-bedroom, 3-bath home serves as the heart of the property. Thoughtfully cared for throughout, it offers spacious living areas filled with natural light and incredible scenery from nearly every room. Whether you're hosting family gatherings, welcoming weekend guests, or simply enjoying a quiet evening at home, the setting creates an atmosphere that's both relaxing and unforgettable. Step outside, and the possibilities continue to unfold. Multiple outbuildings provide outstanding flexibility for equipment storage, workshops, livestock, hobbies, or future agricultural operations. Whether you envision a working farm, an equestrian setup, or simply need room for recreational vehicles and outdoor equipment, the infrastructure is already in place to support a wide variety of lifestyles. For outdoor enthusiasts, this property is truly something special. The rolling landscape offers exceptional wildlife habitat, while established deer stands and hunting blinds are already positioned throughout the property, making it ready for the upcoming hunting season. Spend your days exploring the acreage, riding ATVs, hiking across the fields, or enjoying the peaceful beauty that only a property of this size can provide. The expansive private lake adds another layer of recreation, offering the perfect place to fish, relax, or simply take in the surrounding scenery. Whether you're searching for a private family estate, a productive farm, a recreational retreat, or a legacy property to enjoy for generations, opportunities like this rarely become available. Combining breathtaking views, outstanding outdoor recreation, quality improvements, and the peaceful charm of Kentucky countryside, this remarkable 102-acre estate is more than just a place to